Hi everyone, I'm Justin Hildman, Manager of Global Product Management at SICK. I'm here today to do a quick unboxing of one of our exciting new products, the Lector One Box. What makes this exciting? Well, this is an all-in-one kit for your complex code reading applications. It's simple to use and easy to install. There's no need to have an expert to help. This complete kit allows you to tackle complex barcode scanning applications easily. There are 3 different versions of the Lector One Box available for varying needs. For this video, we'll be focusing on our top tier kit. So let's get into it. All kits include essential components: mounting hardware, cables, calibration target, all versions of the Lector One Box include the Lector 850. This is a game changer for your code reading application. This is an AI-based code reader like we've never seen from our competitors. So SICK is the place to be to get your code reading in just minutes. There are different options with the One Box for tracking or non-tracking. For a tracking solution, you do have an encoder. There's also Array 26 photo eye that is used to trigger. This is vital to the function of the overall solution since it tells the Lector where an item is and when to capture an image. It also supports various communication methods including serial, Ethernet, TCP/IP, Ethernet IP, and Profinet. This smart device allows you to focus on your work without worrying about the settings. Simply input your application data and the device will take care of the rest. The easy to understand instructions are also included, so you can take this install without the need of an expert. But if you do need our help, our service team is always available. With the Lector One Box, AI-based code reading is just minutes away. So what are you waiting for?